Welcome back to my channel. This dessert recipe is super easy and delicious. It needs few ingredients and you will love the taste. Let's start by grating 250 grams of jaggery. When you grate them, it will melt easily. Now I am roasting cardamom, cinnamon and nutmeg for a few minutes, and after that you have to grind them. Then roasting some cashew nuts for the garnish, and this is optional. I am taking 50 grams of sugar and add them into the cooking pan. Set the flames to medium. Here I am going to caramelize the sugar. After sugar caramelized, add quarter cup of hot water gradually. Then add the grated jaggery into the caramelized sugar and mix them. Now I am adding 300 milliliters of thick coconut milk and mix it until jaggery fully dissolved. Make sure you take thick coconut milk. Then I am adding grinded cardamom, cinnamon and nutmeg and mix them. Now you can take out the pan from cooker and keep side. For this recipe I am taking 6 medium-sized eggs. If you still watching the video you are loving my recipe, then like and share the video, that will help me greatly. If you like to receive my recipes, comment below I like. I am using my hand to beat the eggs. Make sure you do this until eggs become foamy for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to add the mixture we prepared before. Add the mixture gradually and keep mixing in between. Here I added the mixture in 3 portions and mixed them well. Write me here in the comments below, where you watching from, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and pinch of salt, then mix it little bit. After mixing all the ingredients, now I am going to strain the mixture into the steaming bowl, to remove the ingredients, which were not melted inside the mixture. Now cover the bowl using aluminum foil and seal the edges. Now I am going to steam the mixture. You may have to steam this for 40 to 45 minutes, and time will depend on the steamer you are using. Check with a bamboo stick. If your dessert is ready, bamboo stick will come out clean, without anything stuck around. Now let it cool down and transfer to the fridge. You may have to keep this in the fridge for a couple of hours. Now it's time to take out the dessert from the bowl for decoration. Here I am using fried cashew as decoration. See how nice this dessert looks. It's very easy. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.